I got this Mario stick lamp off of Amazon. It was $25. Let's open the bottom. Here's the bottom of the lamp. We'll just slide this down and screw this in. So we'll pull the cord out of the back until the cord is flush with the top and screw that in. Now our top piece is screwed on. I'll unscrew this top piece. Here's our Mario lamp we'll put on top. Our Mario shade is wrapped with plastic, so we'll just unwrap it. Then just cut the tag off. Put the shade on top. There we go. We have Toad, Mario, and Luigi. Put the top piece back on. Screw it down there. Our lamp's plugged in. We're going to put in the light bulb. Just screw that in. All right, let's try out the chain. Looks very nice. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.